Good evening, parents. In this video, I am going to be explaining common denominators. So your student has learned the difference between numerators and denominators. They know that the numerator is the number on top and the denominator is the number on the bottom. And they also know common means the same. We want these two factors to have the same denominator. Now, unlike a previous video where I had these digits and I used factors to be able to go to simplest form, which are numbers you multiply together to find the answer, we are now going the multiples of the two denominators, and multiples are the answer you get when you multiply two numbers together. So we are looking for the multiples of 4 and 3. Now, most of the time, if they go to the first 4 or 5 multiples, 4 to 6 multiples, they will generally find a common multiple. And that is what they need in order to make these common denominator fractions. So let's start with the multiples of 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So again, you go to about 4 or 5 and you'll generally find one. Every now and again I have to go to 6, but you're looking for any common multiple. Unlike simplest form, you don't need the greatest common multiple, just any common multiple available. So let's do 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, just like with simplest form, we are going to find the common ones, the ones that they both have together. So here we have 12 and 12. So that means we're able to bring this number to a 12 fraction and this number to a 12 fraction. So let's go ahead and work that out. So in order to look at my 4 denominator, I had to multiply by 3, 1, 2, 3 to get to 12. So times 3, and just like we've said before, whatever we do to that denominator, you have to do to that numerator. So times 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, and I know I'm writing backwards. I apologize for that, but I'm running out of room on my board. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now, just because I multiplied 3 over here does not mean I need to multiply 3 over there. My 3 requires a different number to be able to make it to 12. So it needs 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to multiply my denominator by 4 to make it to 12, and whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the numerator. So 4 to make it to 12. So 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. That means I made common denominator fractures of 3/12 and 8/12. The denominators are the same in both fractions, so they have common denominators. I hope this helps, and as always, if you need me, please email or call. Have a good evening.